Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to our beginners video series. If you're new to iPhone, then in this episode, we are going to see how to change alarm sound on iPhone. If you're bored with the default alarm sound that you hear every day morning, then you can change it by navigate inside the clock application. And here I have searched for clock application as I don't have it in my home screen. If you have the clock application on your home screen, you can tap and you will be taken to this page. It will show you the list of alarms that you have created. Simply tap on any particular alarm and inside you will have the customization options. So here you can see the sound that shows the default alarm sound that we have, and on top of that, if you have any custom ringtones saved on your iPhone, it will show you the list of the ringtones that are available. You can select from any one of the ringtones available here, or if you have downloaded any song from Tones store, it will also show the list of songs that you have purchased from the Tones store. And here you can browse through the list of other ringtones and custom tones, alarm tones that you can change. Instead of the default sound, the new tone that you select will start to play. And there are more tones available under the classic section. And right now I have iOS 18 beta installed, so this is how the order. With the iOS 17 also the same steps required, and maybe one or two sounds will be different. So this is how you change alarm sound on iPhone. I hope this video helped you somehow. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.